This is a Wheelock AS fire alarm, and it's rated to operate indoors between 32 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And today we're going to push the limits of those operating temperatures, not with the heat, but with the cold. We'll put it in a freezer for hours where it's around 0 degrees, and we will freeze this alarm completely and see, even if it's outside of its operating temperatures, will it still find a way to work. Not only will it be very cold for the alarm, but it will also be exposed to moisture, where we all know that that does not work well with circuit boards. So my guess is that it will not work, but perhaps the alarm will find some way to still work. What if this alarm was accidentally mounted outside where a weather-rated alarm should have been? Will it still work after one freeze in the winter? Let's find out. Okay, before we freeze this alarm, let's go ahead and test it to ensure its proper operation. We're just going to test it with some batteries here, and it should work fine. In 3, 2, 1. That sounds like it's working fine to me. So we'll see if it sounds the same after it's been frozen. Here we go. Okay, it's 9:17 at night, and we will take the Wheelock AS and set it into the freezer. There we go. We'll put it in the top compartment, and we will see it in the morning. The freezer temperature is actually set at -3 degrees Fahrenheit, so we are plenty cold. Okay, it's 11 o'clock on the next day, and let's go ahead and take out the alarm here and see if it still works. Looks like the strobe is a little bit frosted now. And let's power it up and see what happens. Okay, let's apply power in 3, 2, 1. And it still works. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and most of the water that was frozen on the alarm has melted away, and it's just water residue left behind. You can see the strobe is no longer frosted, and I thought I'd give it one more test to see if there's any water sitting on the circuit board on the inside of the alarm, to see if that would affect it any further. Let's go ahead and give it power in 3, 2, 1. And it still works great. Wow, this is a very durable alarm we have here. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of happy that this alarm ultimately still works after being frozen for a night, because if this alarm was broken at my fault, I would have been kind of sad to have broken one of the fire alarms that's in my collection. I will say I am surprised, but I'm also not surprised that this alarm still works. They build these alarms to be very durable and last a very long time, as these alarms can be in buildings for years and years and years and years before they're upgraded or replaced. However, this alarm was not rated to withstand those temperatures. I guess it doesn't mean that if it had to endure the temperatures for a night that it's not going to work, but this alarm was able to work, and I'm happy to see that it's durable enough to withstand those temperatures for the night. Outdoor rated alarms, even after many seasons, can begin to fail when they're mounted outside. That's just the natural course of things after being exposed to the sun, the cold, ice, snow, the extremes of every weather condition. It will affect even the strongest of fire alarms out there, if you will. But it's definitely still not up to code or appropriate to mount an indoor rated alarm outside, because ultimately I do think it would fail. But this one lasted one night, which I'm happy for, and today I learned something new. So thank you for watching this video. If you are cold, stay warm and have a great day.